Ready to unlock the secrets of Jedi-like persuasion? If the answer is a resounding yes, then prepare to step into the intriguing realm of reverse psychology. In the simplest of terms, reverse psychology is a technique that involves advocating for the opposite of what you actually want. It's a clever little trick that taps into our innate spirit of defiance. The intriguing part, when someone insists that you shouldn't do something, the rebellious streak within you rises, compelling you to do exactly that. Imagine, if you will, a scenario where you'd like your significant other to do the dishes. Instead of resorting to nagging, you might say something like, "The sink looks absolutely stunning with those dishes. It would be a shame to disturb such artistry." Or perhaps your kids refuse to clean up their toys. You might try, "This room looks just like a superhero's lair. I suppose superheroes like you need a bit of chaos to thrive." But remember, subtlety and playfulness are your best allies here. However, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Reverse psychology, while potentially effective, is not a weapon to be wielded carelessly. It's a tool for gentle persuasion, not for manipulation. Use it sparingly, ethically, and with a dash of humor. So, is reverse psychology the ultimate Jedi mind trick? Perhaps, but genuine communication and respect are irreplaceable when it comes to building strong relationships. That being said, a little harmless Jedi mind trickery can certainly add a dash of fun to your interactions. Just remember to use it responsibly. Now go forth and persuade with wisdom and a touch of wit. And don't forget to share your exciting adventures with reverse psychology in the comments below. Remember, the Force should always be used for good. May the Force be with you always.